Uncle Mark here again, scouting cars today. Looks like a 32, 34 Chevy, four-door body in a field. Been sitting there a long time. It's not going to be easy to get at, but I'm hoping. It's just nice to see what it is, since this is perfect weather again for videos. I just had to, wife had me doing some things today because I was done work early. And I says, look at the weather. Look at this. I don't know if you can see in the back here. Super cloudy. You'll see it makes great videos. Let's take a look and see what this car is like. See if it's got a license plate on it. I think it's missing a lot of the parts, but kind of cool for something that's, 90 years old. And supposedly, we walk through here. Oh, I can see it from here. An old car. Oh, past the tractor. And the cool barbed wire. That's what I'm talking about. Well, thought it was better than that, but that's okay. Let's take a look at it. Parked here for a while. Oh, the dash is missing too. Oh, that's too bad. It had crank up windows, I guess. That's pretty cool. Whatever that knob is, which would have been on that side right there. And again, crank up windows. Crank at the front. Must have been green with the typical back window's still there. That's too bad the fenders are all gone. Try and crawl over this. Oh, look at that. It had stainless steel around the windows. And here too, and like, you figure how old that is. That's really good shape. Let's take a look around the other side. Check the handles. It still work? Yeah, it kind of does. Too bad the hood or something isn't close by here. Can we get in there? And away from the ticks. This looks a little dangerous. There goes the front of it. It says it is a General Motors. Gives you all the information there. Maybe we can Confederate 195. It is a, it looks like it was made in Regina, or Walkerville, or Oshawa. Well, yeah, made in Canada though. Somebody left the window down. It was a nice car when it was parked, I'm sure. A lot of times they'll have the fenders and stuff like that just close by, but don't see any of that stuff. Ouch. Ouch. Pretty dirty that time. What's this stuff? Harrows or something, I guess. Oh. So cool. This is some kind of a mattress or something I'm standing on. I wonder. Let's just see. What does this do? Doesn't do anything. I'm not sure if that rolled down or what. Wood's still there. What's left of an armrest. What's left of the cloth from however many years back, huh? It looks like kind of hard to see here, but these were what do you call that? Like a Venetian blind. Hold on that window. One seems to be missing, but it looks like it even had a place there to hang your suit or whatever that is. Nice. It's bad it didn't have the dash, but that's about her. Well, it's our little trek. I don't see anything else from the car left as I try and walk over. That's too bad. Like I say, a lot of times they'll have hoods or something kicking around, or I get tetanus or something. So cool. Anyway, big thanks to the folks that own this place and for letting me snoop around there a little bit. I'll have to get them a coffee or some donuts later. Anyway, if you like the video, you can give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe right here. I'll put maybe a link in the description a little higher here as to some of the other vehicles that we may have seen in the past. Check out the channel if you haven't done that before. We'll be talking to you another time. Until then, it's UncleMarks saying goodbye. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.